The Sony Xperia VII is the anticipated successor to the Xperia VI, expected to launch globally in May 2025. Following Sony's typical release pattern, the Xperia VII is projected to feature a 6.5-inch OLED display with a 4K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, maintaining the brand's commitment to high-quality visuals. Under the hood, it is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, complemented by options of 12GB or 16GB of RAM, and storage variants of 256GB and 512GB, potentially expandable via a microSD card slot. The camera setup is expected to include a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide lens, and a 12MP periscope telephoto lens with a 70 to 200mm focal length, all utilizing Sony's Xperia sensor technology for enhanced imaging performance. A 12MP front-facing camera is also anticipated. Powering the device will likely be a 5,000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging support. The Xperia VII is expected to launch at a starting price of approximately $1,399.